snow today. It's so pretty. It's actually really nice out. So I'm just on a walk with Finn. Oh, he wants to hold this. Do you want to hold this? Hold on. Finn, is this what you want? Yeah. Okay. Gotta bring it home now. Every time Finn wants to go home, he always has to carry something, whether it's like a glove, a hat, a treat bag. He just always has to hold something, and I think that's because it's in his nature, because he's a golden retriever. But it's so cute. I'm starting this UX design bootcamp tonight, and I'm so nervous because I haven't done any form of like collaboration or have been in a classroom setting since university, and I graduated like almost 4 years ago. I graduated 2020, which is insane. But I'm excited, but I'm also kind of nervous to like collaborate with other people and work in groups. I have not done group work probably since high school, so that's gonna be fun. But yeah, hopefully it goes well. It runs until May, and then hopefully, you know, I can do something with it and finally get, you know, a career-focused job in the field. But yeah, I'm very excited, nervous, but 2024, it's all about stepping out of my comfort zone. So that's what I'm doing. I just got back from the walk. That is the washing machine in the background, but I look so messy right now. I had my hat on, but anyways, I am brainstorming my room, my bedroom, because I need to change some things up. It's a very weird layout. Here, let me show you. Okay, this is kind of an overview of it. Right over there, that's the bathroom, the door to the bathroom. This is basically it. I've got my desk here, window here, and then just like behind me, just turns into here, front door here. But I'm thinking, because I barely have any storage space, so I'm thinking instead of this, I have to get like a chest of drawers. Ideally one that comes up to like right there where that ledge is. And then I think this is too big. It's kind of in the way. It's very bulky. I have a desk upstairs that's a little smaller, so I feel like it could work in here if I could even put it like at this kind of back wall, just so I have a little bit more room. And then if I get the chest of drawers, I have more storage, which would be really nice to have, because I'm very limited on storage. But yeah, that is definitely on the to-do list for the next coming months.
Don't know if you know this too. I'd rather be right here with you.
Okay, I'm just throwing on a little bit of makeup to get ready for my class tonight. So I put on this Merit concealer. I'm just gonna do my under eyes, just because I don't feel like wearing a lot of makeup. I also don't know what is happening with my skin. I have like this breakout going on, which is so annoying. I don't know why all of a sudden I've just like broken out so much. But anyways, I may just do a little bit of blush as well. Put that on my cheeks, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of this as well. Just put a small little amount onto my eyes and quickly blend that all out. This is my little setup for my course. It's gonna start soon. So I have my laptop here. I have a cup of tea, and then I've got just a notebook, glasses, a water bottle, and then this is just a light, which I'm not actually gonna use. This, I thought it was working. It's like one of these like battery operated lights, and it's not working, which is so annoying. But it's pretty, so I'm just gonna leave it there. But yes, I'm very excited. And then after the course is finished, like after this class, I'm gonna start the process for making croissants. I bought the butter for it, because apparently you need like really good quality butter, and it's quite a long process to make croissants at home. But it's something, I don't know why, I just like woke up one day and I was like, I want to make croissants. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make the dough tonight, and then tomorrow do like the butter block and finish it off. So this will probably go horribly wrong, but that's okay. It's gonna be fun. Finished my workout, I had some breakfast, and now I think we're probably gonna take Finn for a little bit of a walk with my mom. We're meant to get a big snowstorm later on this evening, so we're gonna try to get as much as we can, you know, do as much as we can before the snow hits. It's so cold out right now. I mean, I know next week is meant to get even colder, but it's so cold. I really don't want to go outside, but I feel bad. I feel like if you own a dog, you probably understand this. You just feel like you're never doing enough with them. And I feel like for golden retrievers, they have this sad face all the time and they just stare at you. Well, my dog does. And I'm just like, oh my God, I need to just constantly be doing things with you. I need to let you run free in a field. And yeah, so we're gonna take him for a little bit of a walk before the snow hits. And that's Friday. On a little walk, a little nature walk for Finn, but it's kind of nice out. Cold, but nice. Finn is barking at all the squirrels, so that's fun for him. Nothing could ever keep. This is an insane house. I don't know if it's a house or if it's like an embassy. I don't know. It's so
Gone, and all I have is time. And though you're not here,
it is a winter wonderland. Oh my God, it's insane. What is it, Finn? Go run! What is it? You done? Come on. You done? Let's go home. Come on. Oh my God, it's windy. Come on, Finny. Come on, let's go. This is the outfit to take Finn for his morning walk. I actually don't know if it's that cold outside, but it's windy and there's a lot of snow, so we're gonna go do this. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I actually think a lot of the snow melted overnight, so that's good because we had rain. But it's still really windy, and I know it's meant to get even colder this week, which I'm not looking forward to because I hate freezing cold weather. Like, no. I just got finished with my everything shower Saturday morning. One thing about me, I love an everything shower, but I've got my coffee here that I reheated. I don't know if that's kind of gross, but anyways, I'm still using my little Christmas cups because I love these cups. I think they're so cute. But right now, I need to fix the hair situation. So after I washed my hair today, then I'm gonna use this Kristen S leave-in conditioner, which smells absolutely incredible. It literally smells like you've just come from swimming in the sea. It smells so good. Anyways, wet brush. This is the only brush that will work on wet hair for me. And then we just brush. Do you see this huge knot of hair? This is what I deal with on a daily basis. The hair is detangled, and now we're gonna blow dry it. I truthfully have no idea how to style my hair, but styling my bangs is like I'm putting heat on them as soon as I come out of the shower is a necessity, so they don't like part weirdly. Oh my goodness, I just finished shoveling the back driveway and the front driveway. I am sweating, like dripping. That's a workout. The snow is like turning into ice, so it's really heavy. And I need to just chill for a little bit before I take Finn for his afternoon walk. So tired. Happy Sunday, everybody. I just finished the second part of making my croissants. So now the dough is gonna chill in the fridge for an hour, and then you basically like keep rolling it out or something. I don't know, but I'm excited. Hopefully they turn out. I'm hoping. But I have my coffee here. It is so cold outside. I'm really just trying to not go outside today. But now I'm gonna get ready, do a little bit of makeup because I have like a family dinner tonight. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill, do my makeup, maybe watch something while I do that. And that's my Sunday. These are my little croissants. I think they're so cute. And honestly, for like the first time doing this, I think they turned out pretty well. Now they have to proof for 2 hours. Okay, I'm just about to get ready for bed. I hope you all enjoyed this little vlog. If you liked this, then please subscribe to my channel. But yeah, I hope you all have a beautiful day or evening wherever you are. Bye.